everyone, welcome to Why Buy. Today I wanted to talk about this product right here. So this is, if you can see, Cup O Coffee. So this is a coffee face and body mask scrub, and it's from Lush Cosmetics. I'm going to tell you a little bit about it today. Okay, so for me, I'm a very busy person. Like, I'm going 5 directions all at once, and I don't get a lot of rest. So my skin usually has a very tired, dull look to it. And so I really wanted to find a mask that really helped liven up my skin and also exfoliated so that I had that glowy, awake looking skin. I researched a lot, like online. I went to Ulta, I went to Sephora, I talked to people, and I've always liked going to Lush for like the bath bombs and stuff, but I totally forgot they have a skincare line. So I went in there and I got like a sample of this and something else, and this one worked the best for me. Like, I used it and like, it was night and day. Like, I mean, you could see like from the videos I'm going to show you of me using it, like I had bags under my eyes, my skin just looked dull, like, and tired. And after I use it, like, it's plump and it's fresh and it looks good. So that's what really attracted me to this product. And also the ingredients are all organic, and something I love about what Lush does is, you see this little sticker right there? Let's see if I can get it focused. This little sticker right there, it shows that they literally have people assigned to different batches. So you're getting small batch, organic, natural products. And if you read the ingredients on here, you will know every single thing on there. There's nothing that's unheard of or hard to pronounce. Like, what you see, like right here, is what you get. So that's something else I love about this. Yeah, so that's Cup of Coffee, the face and body mask scrub from Lush. Yeah, so if you like this video, please like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.